In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all messages on your iPhone at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. As you can see, I got ton of different messages here, and all we have to do in order to remove all of them at once is just tap at Edit, then select Messages, and then first off we need to select all of these conversations. To do that, I'm just gonna hold down my finger at the screen and then just go down. It will start scrolling and selecting all the conversations. We just need to wait until all the conversations are selected, and after that we can just tap at Delete and then delete again to remove all of these messages at once. That's how you can easily delete all messages on your iPhone.